Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the future of smartphones with the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25. This isn't just another phone. It's a leap into what mobile technology can really do. From jaw-dropping design to hidden features you didn't know you needed, I've got all the details covered. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S25 is thinner, lighter, and more durable than ever, thanks to Samsung's new quantum carbon frame. And just look at this display. A 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 4X screen with 240Hz refresh rate and 2500 nits brightness, perfect for outdoor use or gaming. It's not just pretty though. The S25 introduces adaptive vision tech, which automatically adjusts colors and sharpness based on what you are viewing, be it a video, a game, or a document. Under the hood, we have got the latest Exynos 2500 processor or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, depending on your region. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, this phone can handle everything from 4K, from 8K video editing to intensive mobile gaming without even breaking a sweat. And here's a hidden gem. Samsung's new multi-core Boost AI optimizes performance based on your usage patterns, giving you maximum efficiency when you need it most. Now, for the fun part, the hidden features. Did you know the Galaxy S25 comes with a built-in AI camera assistant called SnapGuide? This feature gives you real-time tips to improve your shots, like adjusting angles or settings for optimal lighting. Another hidden gem, the S25 has a new secure mode with the triple-layer biometric scan, combing, fingerprint, face, and voice recognition. It can lock sensitive apps like banking or health trackers in a secure vault. And for multitaskers, Samsung's Task Continuity 2.0 lets you seamlessly switch from a Galaxy Tab or Samsung laptop back to your phone without losing your place. It's like having one super device across all the gadgets. The camera. Oh, where do I even begin? The Galaxy S25 has a groundbreaking 250MP ultra vision sensor, giving you DSLR level clarity in your pocket. And it's not just about megapixels. Samsung has integrated Pixel Fusion AI for unmatched low-light photography. One hidden trick, the new Cinematic Pro mode lets you shoot 8K videos with live LUTs and custom frame rates, perfect for aspiring filmmakers or content creators. With all these features, you need serious battery life. Samsung delivers up to 6000 mAh battery that supports 65 watts super fast charging and 30 watts wireless charging. Plus, the new EcoCharge AI learns your habits to extend battery life over time. And let's not forget Samsung's ecosystem. Pair the S25 with the new Galaxy Ultra Buds or Galaxy Watch 8 for seamless connectivity. You can even control your SmartThings devices directly from the lock screen. Isn't that just wow? So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 worth it? Absolutely. It's not just a phone, it's a productivity powerhouse, a gaming beast, and a creative studio all rolled into one. If you are looking to future-proof your mobile experience, this is it.